Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So, Smith-Morra, is he going to accept that? Nope. I'll play this bishop d3 move. Actually, my sounds are a bit high, aren't they? Let's go to mixer here and put that down a bit to about 20. That's a bit better. Oh, blimey. There was a new version of Blitzing giving different pull options. This looks fairly attacking at the moment. Especially he's accelerating my rook left for some reason. There's knight e5, yes. So I'm a bit stuck now. Just wait with this move. E5 to take away. That's quite an F5, maybe. Looks interesting because his king side's already a bit weakened with that H5. So I played rook g3 here. What did he do? Rook g3 does that. If I took the knight e4, let's get rid of these pesky knights. Is he really going to take like that? I can't do that. So maybe I've got queen e7 on the cards, or h3, h3. Well, it seems an attacking position with h3. If I can drive that knight back. Oh, hang on. There's rook takes knight g5. Rook moves. Isn't that FG there? Takes knight g5. Rook has to move FG. I'm threatening queen h7. Yeah, it's crude, but I don't know what he's doing about it. That's the thing. Because FG opens up that F file. King's not necessarily escaping that easily. So FG, I suppose he plays F6. If I play F6, I'll check. Is check better? FG, F6. FG immediately. F6. Right, FG immediately. I think I really should think about this position. All the subsequent ones. Knight f7 or queen h7. Don't think bishop c4 is not doing anything. Queen h7, king f8. Knight f7. Queen g4. Let's have this one. Yeah, it seems as though he's defending, actually. But there might be something. You never know. Queen H7 Qf8. Queen takes G4. It's getting some more material. I think Queen takes G4 for a moment. Knight H6 doesn't really want to take. So that would give me Knight F5 for Queen H7. If E6, Queen H7. Alright, I'm losing on time if I don't do anything quickly.
Check.
There's no back row mate as yet. I've got Bishop F1 holding. So I'm going to play Queen H7. I don't want to be time squeezed, but on the other hand, there might be some knockout below coming out. Knight G7. Right, just try and put some time pressure on him from this position. Maybe H4 H5, some simple chess, just played quickly because I don't want to be time squeezed. If it's possible to play some simple chess, let's do it. The squeeze of H5 H6. Maybe bring the king out. Stop the exchange. Yeah. Rook F3 to H3. So H5 H6. I just want to put a time squeeze on for a moment. Okay, he's not letting me. He's playing very quickly. Not letting me time squeeze him. That's not fair. Alright, let's break this king down. Knight G3 check.
Check.
He's refusing time pressure. The pressure of time pressure. Okay, if you see what I mean. I'm threatening Queen E6 now. It's not such a bad move. If Bishop takes, King takes. Let's pin that. So threatening Queen E6.
Check.
Yeah, Queen D7.
Checkmate.
Alright, yeah, he didn't want to slow down. Okay, fine. Okay, it's, yeah, because sometimes you can put pressure on the position, but simultaneously put pressure on the clock, and he wouldn't let me put pressure on the clock. It was clear. He was playing very, very quickly. It was still quite, it was a dangerous attack. The knight on F5. So yeah, without allowing, it's like a Benoni sort of pawn sack in the centre, or it's a thematic kind of pawn sack in the centre. Although here, Engine doesn't like it at all. Knight E3. Why? Not yet. Okay, it's nothing. Okay, yeah, Knight E3 refuse that. So, did I have anything better? Bishop G5. Wow. Okay, so he had Knight E3 at some point. Yeah. Now, yes, this is interesting. I think FG. Knight F7, good move.
Check.
I didn't want to take. Oh, this is high pressure, this position. Knight takes D4, as mentioned. If Rook C1, check.
Check.
Ah, Bishop B5.
Check.
He doesn't want to lose that. Okay, that's the problem. Oh, I could take here. What's this about? Alright, it's really dangerous, that pawn there. Yeah, if he goes back here. Oh, threatening E7, right. Fair. Well, it's just very bad, isn't it, for black? So I think this is good.
Check. Check.
So Rook F7, I think it's okay as well. Bishop B5 is a killer move. Pin and win. Yes, it's plus 13.
Check. Checkmate.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that one. I did comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.